welcome to my channel if you're new here. I am back with another transition to fall transitional outfits. You guys know the drill. I love to kind of plan outfits, whether I plan on wearing them, whether I can't wait to wear them once it gets a little cool, because I'm gonna just be honest with you, I haven't worn any of these outfits because it's too dang hot here in Dallas. But once it drops into the 80s, I will wear some of these. Slash one I do plan on wearing to a concert soon. But anyway, I pulled some new things that I got recently that I can't wait to style and kind of play around with. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in. I have everything that I mentioned linked down below or on the YouTube shop button. But yeah, you guys know I pull outfits, pieces that I want, but I don't know how it's all going to come together, so we'll see. But the first outfit is a outfit I'm kind of trialing for, I have a hair on me, for the 21 Pilots concert that we're going to when we get back from New York. So let's play around with that. This is my idea. I purchased these little pantalones off of Amazon. I've been wanting a pair of leopard pants, and I really honestly love how these are like subtle. I was telling Scott that I bought a pair of leopard pants and he was like, what? And then I tried them on, or like got them, and he was like, oh, those were not what I was expecting. I was expecting like 80s leggings, whatever. And I was like, no, these are like actually really cool. They look like a dark jean with just a pattern on them. So I will try these on and see how they work. I remember on the girl who I saw them on the Vanessa, her name is Vanessa, can't think of her last name. They were kind of cropped, which I think they're gonna give cropped on me. So let's try them on, and I'm envisioning them with a little black like boat neck tank, and then we'll accessorize. Oh girl. Okay, those are a little, whew, she's a little snug. They're cute. I actually kind of love them. They're kind of giving barrel, but not really, just kind of like a wide fit, but they're very nicely fitting on my waist. These might be a freaking winner. Okay, now let's put on a little boat neck tank and style it. Kind of envisioning it. Ooh, that could look cute with it completely just down. But I was thinking of giving their old tuckaroo. I actually am obsessed with these pants. Wow. These are good. Okay, so I was envisioning it like this, and then I was envisioning it with a black belt. These are fun. Okay. I need one more belt loop. Now, I don't know how this is gonna work with my next step. I was thinking of going in with my brown Adidas Spezials to kind of bring out the brown in the pant, but I don't know if the brown and the black is gonna look cute, and I also don't know if they're gonna work with these like shortness of pants. So let's try that on and see. What these would look good with is giving me my old, my throwback. Didn't anyone used to follow me when I like only wore Vans slip-ons? Those would look cute with this. I think I still have them actually. Saving them for a rainy day. The perforated leather ones, I was obsessed. Okay, now they're cute with this. I would definitely change out the laces for the darker brown, but then I was thinking to kind of tie in more of the brown is to throw on like a little sweater. Also don't know if it'll be cold in the American Airlines Center, which I think that's where the concert is. And I'm just a sucker for a sweater over the shoulder, but this is so cute. The shoes are a little lighter, but honestly, I might try to find my Vans, which I think are, did I throw them away? I hope I did not. I wouldn't have thrown them away. I would have donated them. So they're in a donation box, either there or in the downstairs closet. This is so cute. I am obsessed. I love this. These pants are cute. They're tight to get on at first, but then once they're on, I think they fit nicely. I love. Do I look like I'm ready to go to a concert? Probably not with the sweater, but let's move on to look number two. I'm really excited to style this. I just grabbed these like trouser gray shorts that I'm gonna wear with them. I got them from my latest Cupshe haul, which if you have not seen, it's like by far the best Cupshe haul I've like ever done. I'm obsessed. So I'm gonna style the long gray trousers with a denim shirt that I recently got from Old Navy. And then we're gonna accessorize, you know the drill. I think these are gonna be either really cool, kind of a masculine sort of look. I'm hopeful, so let's see how it comes together. But these jeans are everything. But they're hard to get off. Ooh. If you have hips, girl. I love these shorts so much. I think they're like a fun, like, I don't know, I like how long they are. I think they're really quite cool and kind of trendy. So let's pop them on with a denim shirt and see how we style them. Okay, so this denim shirt is slightly bigger than my other one that I have, but I feel like I want to see if I can style it. This might be too big, I'm not gonna lie. Not too big for like other outfits, but too big for this outfit, but we're gonna try and see. I'm gonna do the little trick. I also should have steamed this, so bear with me. And sleeves, I feel like it can work, and I feel like I'm determined to make it work, so let's try. Kind of, this is a much thicker shirt than my one that I have from Target. Now, what my vision was a gray baseball cap and was my gray little New Balance. Let's see, once it's all put together, how it looks. Ooh, I don't know, you guys. I feel like it's too baggy. Maybe I need to just change the top. I did a leaf back here. Let's try my Target button up, which is a tiny bit. Yeah, I feel like it needs to be shorter. This isn't as bulky, so then the bottoms are more bulky. Okay. This I feel like just fits. Do you see the balance, what I mean by it? It's just so much better. Yeah, I like this. It's definitely different and a little bit outside my comfort zone, but that's kind of what I wanted, kind of what I was going for. I think it's really cute. And I would not pair a sock, like a tall sock with this, just because it is shortening you so much on the legs with these longer trousers. So you want to show leg. But it turned out cute. I like it. I like it. Yeah, I think, again, that Old Navy top, if you just got it in like a small or whatever your traditional sizes, I got that in a medium because I wanted it to be bigger. Just didn't work with the like length of these, but this is still super cute, just with a more like normal fitting denim shirt. But I kind of love it. It's definitely different, definitely outside my comfort zone, but super cute. So we want to look number 4. With a look number 3, we are busting out my little rugby top, which again, I have yet to style, so I'm excited to style that, but we're gonna style it in a very much way that I like can wear once it gets even a little bit chillier. So let's pop on a pair of my lighter wash denim and then my little rugby shirt that I just grabbed from Gap, and we will accessorize. So I feel like I could like make a street chronicles of all the crazy things that happen on my street. But next door, there's like a, I don't know, whatever. It's a community home. Whatever, I'll just say that. Nonetheless, that makes no difference in the story, so I don't know why I feel like I need to say that. But they were cutting down part of this tree out in front of their house, or out in front of this like complex. So they had like what I would assume were professionals. They took down this tree. It hit a truck that they were not driving, and that truck is still there and no one told them, so it's weird. And not Scott like out there eating his breakfast taco, like watching them, and he's like, I feel like they're gonna drop it on that truck, and he's like, I'm gonna yell timber if they don't. And I'm just like, oh my god, a mess. And then he was like, it hit the truck, and I'm like, oh my god, there's a lady walking out right now, what if it's her truck? Let's wait. Not her truck. Okay. nonetheless. I feel like it didn't damage it, but still stuff hit it, nonetheless. Okay, love this rugby top. I have yet to try it on. It's so good. It is cropped, but in a good way. It's like boxy, not cropped, okay? It's just not long, you know? I got it in a medium. Love the colors on this. Wanted to be able to like open it fully. So cute. Now to make it feel a bit more fall, I'm going to throw on some Birkenstocks and socks. This is giving like dog crap in my house. It's a dead leaf, I swear. Ooh. We are watching a friend's dog. By we, I mean it was supposed to be me. And yesterday, the whole day, she hung out with me. And then today, all she wants to do is hang out with Scott, because Scott's working from home today. And I'm like, what the heck? I lost my friend. My little smooshy moosh. Anyway, I'm always trying to make shorts and socks and Birkenstocks happen, but I feel like this will work. Am I right? Probably not. These glasses are filthy. A personality trait of mine is just that my glasses are always disgusting. I put on a pair of glasses this morning and they had salt water stains all over them, and I've been wearing them for a week. Like salt water just crusted, and I would try to wash them off, and then I started licking them. And I was like, the person next to me is like, what is this lady doing? Licking her sunglasses. I mean, it was salt water, that's why. That was the way to get it off. Anyway, I think this is really cute. Very basic, pretty simple, but I feel like there's enough interest in the outfit, so I'm here for it. I like this, the socks, kind of slouchy. The shorts are like bigger, so I think it works. I love this. I think I'm gonna be living in this the minute it gets in the 80s. I feel like the 80s I could even wear this. More the 70s, but the 80s. I should have kept this as my last outfit. Ugh. I would have still wore this all day. Anyway, let's move on to the last. Okay. Last outfit I'm super excited about. Let's throw on a pair of jeans and a tee. This is like when it gets like cold, but giving Americana cold. I'm here for it. Anyway, let's throw on these jeans that I recently discovered. Just kidding. I had bought them a long time ago, but not ever worn them. I think they're like the wide leg something or other from Zara. So let's pop these on in a white tee. I think I'm gonna cuff these and wear my clogs again with my socks. This cuff is not symmetrical, not an even cuff, much better. I remember buying the longest jeans I could ever find at Hollister. I feel like they just ran really large back then because that was like the style, so that I could do these giant cuffs, but they would still touch the ground. And like this part of your jeans would wear out. It was such a wild time. I mean, realistically, I could probably get away with this with shorts in about a month, but for now we're going with the jeans. So this beautiful navy sweater that I'm obsessed with. I feel like looks like I keep having a bug in my peripheral. That is just a fuzz. Oh, this is perfect. This is literally the most perfect sweatshirt or sweater. It's so good. I could have worn a longer white tee too to let it pop out a little bit for like an undone sort of look. Gap never misses with their basics. Like, this is just so good. It's the perfect amount of oversized, not too oversized. And then I was thinking to kind of tie in navy. I just bought like 2 more colors in this hat. I love it. It's just a really good hat. I'm over the sports teams because let's be real, I don't follow sports teams. And I mean, I don't follow polo either, but yeah, this is good. Just a classic, basic staple. And a baseball cap just makes all the difference. I've even been liking tucking my hair behind my ears. Just wild. Cute. That's it, you guys. That's my 4 fall transition sort of outfits that I cannot wait to wear the minute it gets cold. I'm gonna be bringing this sweater and some jeans and stuff and the polo. I'm bringing quite a bit of this to my trip in New York because I think it's still gonna be like chilly-ish, so. Anyways, oh, as always, let me know what your favorite outfit was down below. I love to know. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video very, very soon.